Hello some viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in our previous video we have seen how to add a variable. We have added a variable by clicking on three dots. If we click on edit, we can see our variable URL which was repeating each and every request, so we added one variable. Now what we'll do, we'll see how to get a variable and how to set a variable. For that guys, click on three dots, click on edit. So you can see tests here. So if you want to see how we can execute it, we'll write console.log. We can write I am Azhar Techno Coder. Okay. If you want to execute this, we can see the console. How to get the console here? So click on three dots here. You can click on view. So you can click on show Postman console. So this is my Postman console. Okay, so now I have added this. Let me save it. Now let me run the test. Let me go to single user or whatever. We can run the request here. So let me run the request. You can see the Postman request should have run and also the log should be there, which I have written as a Techno Coder. Fine. So how I have to retrieve the value? So you can see in the variables I have a URL, right? How we can get the URL? So I'll write I'll write urlVal equal to, so I've write pm dot. You can see it is a Postman, and if you put dot, we can see variables dot. Now it has many methods, so I need a get method. So if I put get of what is the key, so what is the key we used? We used URL. So if I add URL and if I put console.log of urlVal and if save this, if I run it here, if I run the request here, you can see I will type I am as a technocoder and also the value of the URL. So let me clear the logs now. So let me go back to the variables. Here I want to set a variable name. Okay, so how can I set a variable name? Let me write pm.variables.set. Okay, so I want to set the tool. Name of the tool is Postman. Okay, and now let me print it. Let me copy this console.log. So let me paste it here. So instead of getting the variable URL, I wanted to get the variable tool. Okay, so let me execute this now. Request again. So I'll get the Azhar Techno Coder, which I get console.log and also the value of the URL and also the tool. So now if I want to save this variable as a global variable, okay, so let me print the global variable. Okay, so I'll write let global var variable, I'll write entirely equal to, so pm.globals.get method. What is the get here? So do we have any environment of the global variable? So let us see the global variables here. Okay, see here we have a global variable which is a URL. Okay, so now I want to set one global variable. Okay, so instead of variables.set, I can set a global variable here like this. Instead of variables, I'll put globals.set tool equal to Postman. So let me execute this. Okay, so tool equal to Postman. I have set the variable now. Let me go back here. I'll scroll this and let me see the global variables. Now URL I have already added and also the tool. So current value I have given as a Postman. Okay, you can edit the variable also from here. You can add the variable also from here. Okay, so now edit global variables. You can delete the variable here. So let me delete one tool. Okay, I just need the post tool as a Postman. So now let me save the globals. Go back here. Now I have set the variable now. Okay, so how can, let me comment this. So how can I get the variable of a global? So I'll put console.log. Let's say pm.globals.set. get. So which value I need? I need the value of a 2. Okay. Save this. Let me run it. Okay. Run this one. So now I got a Postman, that is the variable which is global variable. Okay. So now, so we can also set a environment variable. So for setting the environment variable, pm.env.environment.set. Similar procedure. So I have to write env. So I'll write my environment is local. So now env will be the environment. I'll put console.log pm.env.get of env. So I want to get the environment value. So if I run this now, so I got the value local. Now I don't have any environment, so the value will be here. So if I go to globals, the globals value will not be there. Okay. So what if I want to run this each and every time? Okay. So let me copy this, right? Control X, right? Let me save this collection. Now click on three dots, click on edit. When you click on edit, right, you have prerequisites, right? You can paste it here properly and save it. Okay. So now let me clear this, and if I want to run this, right, let me run this collection. Let me run the collection now. So it will run properly. Now you can see the logs entirely coming whatever we have. So it ran twice because two requests are there. So it is in the collection wide. We have added the prerequisite. Hope you would have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you are a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.